Welcome back to 504 Road Trips. Today we continue our trek across the state of Wisconsin on I-90 West as well as I-39 North. We begin as we enter Dane County at mile marker 162. Dane County is the second most populous in Wisconsin with a population of 561,504. Dane County was formed in 1836 as a territorial county and organized in 1839 and named after Nathan Dane, a Massachusetts delegate to the Congress of the Confederation who helped carve Wisconsin out of the Northwest Territory. Dane County was settled in the 1840s by settlers from New England. Here we see yet another concurrency with US Highway 51, which has followed us on and off since the beginning of our I-55 series. Just a reminder, if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button and the bell beside it to be notified of when our new videos come out. And give us a thumbs up or hit the new super thanks button if you enjoy our videos. We enter the city of Madison, the state capital of Wisconsin. Madison is the second most populous city in Wisconsin after Milwaukee, with a population of 269,840 as of the 2020 census. As of 2021, Madison is Wisconsin's fastest growing city. Madison's economy features a large and growing technology sector, and the Madison area is home to the headquarters of Epic Systems, American Family Insurance, Exact Sciences, Promega, American Girl, Sub-Zero, Land's End, Spectrum Brands, a regional office for Google, and the University Research Park, as well as many biotechnology and health system startups. Here we begin to see a control city of Wisconsin Dells, with Wisconsin abbreviated as WIS on most of the overhead signs. At exit 138, we junction with I-94, the ultimate goal of this segment of the trip. From here on, we'll have I-94 as an added concurrency, and will remain on I-94 for the duration of this series. . We conclude today's video at mile marker 136. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, post a comment, subscribe, share and follow us on social media, and join us for our next 504 road trip.